All right, y'all, now we got a little something fun for you today. We actually have a new feature we've launched on the website, and it is called Build Your Own Bundle, or what I'm calling Choose Your Own Adventure. Now, we had to have this software built specially to be able to do this, but what the software allows you to do, number one, is save money by bundling products that you're going to buy, and you bundle them into one box, which saves on shipping, and then we can pass some of that along to you. So the way the bundle works is you can choose 2 18-pound bags and up to 4 quarts, and you can put those all into one bundle together. Also comes with a free hose-in sprayer, and now you'll save 20% by doing that. This is also a great way to try something new. Maybe you want to try our brand new natural-based right here, natural-based soil amendment 803 soil fit. Again, natural-based, got peptides in here. This is kind of like my version of Ringer Laundry Store, but better. Put that in your bundle box, and then maybe some of you have been curious about Double Dark because 6% iron, right? Put that in your bundle box, and you can tell I'm not very good at packing because it's almost full already. But then you can choose 4 quarts. How about a little foreplay action? We like aerate, dethatch for the summer, and 2600 green charge. Put this on in between fertilizer apps for super green. Put all that in there. Put in your empty hose and sprayer, and now you have a build your own bundle. So it's kind of fun to play around, add different products in. But this is a great way for those of you that like to try different things, you like to switch things up and also save money at the same time. Try that build your own bundle. We also do have the build your own 4-pack of gallons for Greene County. You can still do that. 2.5 gallon build your own. So we have those as well. Buy 3 quarts, get 1 free. We have that. All of that in there, but this big build a box bundle here is a lot of fun, save you a lot of money, and I'll see you in the lawn.